What's up, YouTube? It is even worse today. I don't know if you can tell the smoke out here from the camera, the GoPro. I was looking at the footage from yesterday. It's kind of hard to see the smoke in the video. It looks kind of like just clouds, overcast, whatever. But it's nasty. I mean, it's so thick. There's ash on the car. I tried taking a picture, but it's hard to see it. Well, actually, I just drove it, so it all blew off. There's ash all over the cars. Smells like I'm too close to the campfire, you know? When you go camping, you're like, oh, I need to back up a bit. Anyways, what's up, YouTube? August 20th, 2020, Thursday. It's about, I think it's like 9:40. I had a dentist appointment this morning, so going into work a little late. But we are done now. Hopefully that's my last dentist appointment for a while. Alright. It's supposed to be a couple degrees cool, you know? Or was it supposed to be hotter? I don't remember. So we're off. Whew, little breeze feels good. I was getting kind of hot and sweaty getting my gear on. Not my gear, my helmet, my boots, that's about it. I'm wearing a t-shirt or just my button-up short sleeve shirt because it's warm. I think it was over 7, I can't remember. I looked at it, it was like 70 something I think when I left. So it's like 9:40 in the morning. So I don't know if you can tell, but man, it's freaking smoky. Oh, there's that porcupine I saw yesterday. Oh, it does have government plates. I guess it is some kind of law enforcement vehicle. On the way home yesterday, I was like, oh, see that porcupine? It had antennas all over it. I thought it was a little too many to be LE. I thought it was like some ham radio operator like I had on my SUV. Antennas popping up left and right. Oh, it feels good to get that breeze going. I'm gonna get into work. I'm gonna smell like a campfire. Be like, what are you wearing? River Fire 2020. Just kicked a little rock up, hit me in the knee. This is definitely worse than yesterday. Hope it comes out in the video a little better. But man, it almost looks like fog. I was gonna take the car, but Corey wanted to go shopping at lunch, and I didn't feel like walking all the way out to the street, that whole like 100 feet to get the SUV, so I'm being a little lazy there. Yeah, look at this. I hope it comes out better, because this is just crazy how smoky it is here. Now, according to satellite images, this smoke is coming from the river fire up south of Salinas, I think it is, up near Monterey area. And it's crazy. It's watching. It looked like there's also another fire south of here. I'm not sure which one it is, but the satellite photo looks like somehow wind was blowing coming up from the south and from the north and kind of coming to a head here and kind of like doing a little swirl, but like it looked like the smoke from both the fires are just coming and settling down right here in Slow County. It was kind of weird. Well, if you're a smoker, you can save money on cigarettes today because you don't need any cigarettes. Ah, this is insane. This fire, I think, is like 150, maybe more miles away from here. Maybe even like 200. Can't remember how far Monterey is. might be a little less the way the bird flies. But yeah, this is insane. This is Smokey. I believe they said all the fires in California right now were caused from that thunderstorm that went through here about 4 days ago. I think it was Saturday, Sunday last weekend. There was some... I was out in the garage working. I tried to record it with my cell phone. You could hear the thunder. It was super loud. The cell phone didn't pick it up too well though. Corey and Colby are going to Bakersfield again this weekend. I'm going to stay home and try to do some maintenance on the bike. We'll see how motivated I am, or how hot it is. I said last week I went to go do it and it was just too freaking hot. It's like, no way. Nope. I had lost like a gallon of sweat just putting the Sportster in the wheel choke. But then I went and looked at... It seemed like it's been a while since I did service on the Sportster. So I also went and pulled my maintenance record up on the computer, and I just changed everything like 500 ago. So I ain't doing that. I ain't gonna waste, you know, oil and money and time servicing the Sportster. So I'll probably do this one because I can't remember. I think this bike was serviced like 1,000 miles before I bought it. I forgot. I thought I took a picture of her service thing. It was written on her wall in the garage, so it wasn't like I could take it with me. They had like wrote on Sharpie on a wall the dates and mileage and what was done in their garage. Pretty redneck. So I thought I took a photo with my phone. I can't find it though. But I want to say it was like 1,000, maybe a little more miles past since they had serviced it. And I've already put shit about 3,000 on this, I think. I bought it at 24 something. Okay, no, I put about a little over 2,000, I think. So just to be safe, I also want to inspect those cam chain tensioner shoes, see what they look like. The bike is finally in my name. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I finally got the title in the mail. Only took almost 3 months from when I bought it using the virtual DMV office. I do not recommend that process. It takes forever. When I went to Vicious Cycle, the owner there said he uses, and I forgot what it's called. The DMV in Santa Maria, but it's like a private office that they can take care of DMV transactions, kind of like a AAA. If you're a AAA member, you go in and use their DMV in there. He said it's kind of like that. So a lot quicker, get in and out, you know, shit gets taken care of. Because right now you still can't go into the DMV unless you had an appointment or they rescheduled an appointment. They had to cancel them. They're still not taking any new ones. When I looked back in the beginning of July, like the last week of June, first week of July, their website said no new appointments until after August 30th. So I don't know if that's still the case or not. The way the numbers spiked again, I imagine they're still not. They might push it out further, yeah, before you can take appointments. I'm getting a little bit of a headache. I think it's from the smoke. Good thing I got some Tylenol at the office. My sinuses were bugging. Well, our COVID numbers in slow drop, but the health director said yesterday they're going to be higher today. They released the numbers once a day at like 1. So they'd already known that there was a bunch more positives, I guess, after they released the day before's numbers. She says it's still looking good, but we had, I think, 9 cases with Tuesday, 8 cases yesterday, but she says it's going to be slightly higher today. But it looks like for the country, the state, we're finally on the over the hump for this wave. be nice when the country's back to normal. Miss going out to restaurants and having dinner. I miss going out to lunch on Fridays with my soup team. We used to go out to lunch every Friday. We'd have a meeting in our division manager's office, then we'd all go to lunch when we were done. Now they have meetings via Skype. Well, now we're switching to Teams. A Microsoft product, I guess, is going to replace Skype eventually. And heck, I usually just munch in my office. I don't even go get anything now. Oh, I'm getting a bad headache. I probably should have taken the SUV. Get a haircut this weekend, which is just shave my head. Gotta start riding the Sportster some more. Put some miles on her. Him. I guess Bumblebee's a boy. This is the girl, it's Jolene. Jolene, Jolene. Oh, just in time for the green light. Oh, a green light and a truck blocking the road. We've landed. Kickstand down. Okay. Yeah, it's nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Oh. Okay. Already sweating.